Hey, welcome back. And I'm currently in Ayutthaya, and the thing is, I've been sick for the last few days and I'm finally better, thankfully, so I can actually get out and start to enjoy it. Now, my main goal for this morning is to go get some breakfast. I'm always about that food. Just food here is absolutely amazing. And then I'm going to get a scooter. So I'm going to hire a scooter for the day, cruise around, visit all the temples. If you want to stick around, you can check me out with me. Hey, so that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I probably wanted to get a little bit more footage, but with me being so sick in the last few days, I could only make half a day. So I'm off to Chiang Mai tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling 100%. I'll be able to make more videos and then keep them coming for you guys.